I'm in a 2005 Infiniti FX35, and today I'm going to show you how to lower your seats, adjust the settings on them. So with these rear seats here, the way to lower them is there's a handle here, and then there's a handle here for the passenger side. But to lower these, you'll just pull this handle, and then that will release these seats to fold. So, since I pulled that lever, these are now free. Works the same on both sides. And you can remove these headrests as needed by pushing these buttons. And this will slide up, and then you can lock it in place higher if you want, like this, or lower. But it'll pull all the way out if you just keep these pushed. And when you're done, to fold it back up, you just push this back in place and it locks. And adjust these front seats if needed. There's these switches here, so it's an electronic controlled. So this makes the whole seat go forward or back. This makes your backrest go forward or back. This makes the front of the seat go up or down. And then this adjusts the rear up or down of the seat. And on the side, there's just like a lumbar support you can adjust as well. And presets if you want it to have a certain setting that it saves for you. And it's the same for the passenger side, same controls. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.